Hi everyone. Emily here. And you are watching The Drago Show. If you guys enjoy the video, then give a like. And join Team Drago by subscribing to The Drago Show. And hit the bell icon near the subscribe button for quick notifications.
How are you all? I hope that you all are fine, and I hope that you guys are liking the series of tech videos, and the combination of tech and games. So, today I am going to be unboxing new JioFI. I bought this from my near Jio store. The price of this is 1000 Indian rupees, but the MRP written is 2499 Indian rupees. Now then, let's get started. We got a USB cable, a charging adapter, a battery, JioFI router, and a warranty card of 1 year. The model number of this router is JMR815. You can create your own hotspot with it. You can connect up to 31 devices with it. It has 3000 mAh battery life. Now let's put battery inside it. And let's power it up and do an internet speed test. The speed of internet is decent. It's not that great, but it's not bad either. It depends on your GeoSIM connection. And your local network connection also. Tell me what kind of videos do you guys like? Or if you guys have any video suggestion, then let me know through comments. Let's aim for 150 likes on this video. I know you can do this. Thanks for watching. And bye bye.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something